Welcome back to Throttle Back, Rubber Down. It is a beautiful Saturday morning. We're going to do something a little bit different today. I am leaving my son's soccer game, and he is a huge super hypercar fan. He knows just about everything there is to know about cars, particularly your high-end variety. So today I am going to scout out a weekend autocross event. So we are on our way to the local minor league baseball stadium, and not just any autocross event, but a pretty cool autocross event where I'm not sure of the name of the company, but they bring in their supercars that you can, for a nominal fee, hop in the driver's seat and take them around the autocross course. Now my son is only 9, so I don't think they're going to let him drive a Lamborghini or a Porsche. But having said that, he is allowed to hop in with a driver on the course and rip around the course, where they'll hit speeds of 90 to 100 miles an hour, which in his little world is just gonna be amazing. So he's got a real soft spot, if you will, for Lamborghinis, and my understanding is that they're supposed to have 1 or 2 there. So we're going to do this tomorrow as a total surprise to him. So we're going to go check it out right now. So I'm really excited about that. So we are on our way. We'll catch you when we are a little bit closer to the stadium. All right, we are several miles down the road and getting a bit closer to the baseball stadium where the event is taking place. And as I drove through there, I know you don't really see much of that through the magic of editing, but I was thinking, since I was last chatting here, I believe the name of the company is Velocity Driving, who's putting on this event. I want to say it's Velocity Driving. I haven't heard of them before. It showed up through one of those sponsored Facebook targeted ads, and they got me good. But I thought, what a great opportunity here for me to get a really cool surprise for my son. The baseball stadium's only about 5-10 minutes from my house, and for what I realize is only going to be maybe 2 or 3 minutes of actual seat time, it's an opportunity for him to get into a nice exotic car that I couldn't otherwise provide, and real close to home. So I'm really excited to check this event out. I'll kind of do a short review of the whole experience. What I'm going to do is shoot some footage today, get an idea for how everything's set up, and then the next time you see me in the video after going around the event today will be tomorrow in the car with my son, because we're not going to tell him about this. We're just going to let it be a total surprise when he pulls in. So I just wanted to get a sense for what this looks like. If you're not familiar with autocross, it's a ton of fun, where you can set up some coned off race tracks in an open parking lot, and you can drive your vehicle into a typical autocross event, register, and have a lot of fun. So this is same idea, except instead of driving your vehicle in, you can pick. So I'm excited to see what they have there. I know they advertised a couple of Lamborghinis, some Porsches, I think they had an Aston Martin on the one site, some Corvettes. So we'll have to take a look and see what's here. Hopefully, like I said, they'll have a Lambo or 2, because that definitely is my son's favorite. So we are getting ready to turn in, so we will take a look here in just a minute. Let's see how they have this set up. This is Ripken Stadium, Leidos Field in Aberdeen, Maryland. Oh yeah, getting an idea here. Sweet. I do see some nice Lamborghinis and Porsches. Excellent, excellent. Very cool. Very excited about this. If I wasn't such a bonehead, I would have reserved some driving time for myself, but by the time I thought, yeah, maybe I'll do that, they were sold out. No surprise. Such a cool event. All right, we are here, we are parked. We are gonna go take a look at this. It is music to my ears, and this is gonna be exactly the kind of surprise I was hoping for my son Tyler. So let's go take a look. I can stay here all day. Here comes the Lambo. This guy's hammering it. Here we go. Go! All right. So I think this is going to be, yeah, music to my ears. Anyway, so as I was saying, I think this is going to be just an awesome surprise for my son tomorrow. So next time you see me, I'll be in the car with him and he'll be sneaking up here.
Definitely keep your eyes out for things though. Fitness Summit, we have to go there.
Oh, looks like there are a bunch of cars.
Oh my gosh! No! Oh my god! The Huracan Performante! No, go in there! No! Go in there! No!
I will.
We're going over there! We're going
I'm
over
gonna
there!
park. What were those cars?
Huracan Performante, looks like a Gallardo, and Ferrari. BMW M series right there.
Oh my gosh,
my
you're so
God.
good at
Some type of Ferrari. If you don't like launch the perforate,
Hey Tyler,
yeah?
if you could ride in any one of those cars, which one?
Huracan Performante.
The what?
The Huracan Performante.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
Huh. Hey buddy, I want you to read that.
Oh my god! Oh!
You're going for a ride, young man.
Yes! Oh my god!
and you get to pick.
All right, buddy.
Alright.
Let's get a pound. Ready to have some fun?
Yeah.
Let's go get them. What'd you think, buddy? Performante.
The Huracan Performante.
Let's give him the dream drive then. He said he's in his dream car.
Thank you so much.
All right, buddy.
Thank you so much.
You missed the thumbs up. Come in here. Give the camera a thumbs up. Yeah.
Thumbs up indeed! That surprise could not have gone any better. Any better. We had so much fun this past weekend. I don't think there's anything that can be more fulfilling as a parent than seeing your child that happy. We have spent the last day looking up Lamborghinis on Auto Trader, seeing what's available, used. Obviously you can't afford it, but nonetheless, it's just fun. It's fun to have something that exciting to do with your child that you're both into. And he's the biggest supercar fan. You could hear him say in that video as he's waving at, right before he waved at me, that he loved Lamborghinis, and he certainly does, and he had a wonderful experience this weekend. It was a ton of fun doing that. It was a ton of fun filming it and watching it back. I hope you guys had fun watching that too. If you like what we're doing here, please leave me a comment, like, subscribe to the channel, share it with your friends. I'd greatly appreciate it. As I like to say, until next time, keep the throttle back, the rubber down, and enjoy the ride.